Well, friends, Tom Yeager, Rural Democrat here, and I'm replacing this blower motor in our furnace. This is Thursday, 22nd of January, and it failed overnight last Friday night. It took a while for the part to come in. So, since my wife likes to watch people doing things on various YouTube channels, people doing work on their homesteads and stuff, I thought I'd start recording when I do stuff so she can watch me do work on our house. So here we go. I gotta do this quick because I have to leave for an appointment in a little bit, and it's going to be a relatively easy thing to do. So as I said, this motor has pretty much died. It made some loud noises before it did so. Then it stopped moving. I was able to whack it, got it moving a little bit, but that was it. So we are going to remove it and replace it with a new one. First thing, of course, will be to disconnect the wiring. It's already been turned off. So that's it. 2 plugs on the wiring. There's a ground wire here that's connected. And I'm going to use, for the most part, my handy little drill to remove the screws holding it in place. That's a long screw. I think the most difficult part is going to get it off of this bit of rubber hose. Let's see. Yep, there's another one here. Kind of hard to get to it when you're blocking your own light. Well, try it this way. Okay. If all else fails, use the manual method. And there we go. There we are. Just pull it loose. So this is going to be one of the harder parts, I think. Okay. Now, a new one does come with new clamps, but not a new rubber connector. So that's okay. Take the old one out. There's a hose here we have to untake. Put this back in here. And put it up here. There we go. Of course, this being the way of things, all the screws migrated back here. I hate it when that happens. Okay, somehow or another I've managed to lose the screws, so pull this back out. And there it is. Okay. It's just playing hard to get. All right, there we go. So, again, this one here. Here, put it back here. Remember, this one here had the ground, so we'll add it there.
I hate to interrupt,
Yeah,
but you've got something dental on your.
yep, I know. I'll be out in just a moment. I'm just about finished. All right, now put the wiring back together, white to white. Black to black. The tube. And that's it. Quick and easy. And now, as my wife, you may have heard, came in to remind me, I need to leave for a dental appointment. But it was that quick and easy. So I'll be putting this back together, going upstairs, turning the unit on, turning off all the space heaters that we wound up using for last week. Oops. Got in the wrong spot. Pull it up. In here. And we're done. Thanks for watching.